Hey guys, Steve here at Potent Ponics. Just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a grow update here. So we have a whole bunch of strains. Let's see if I can get it to focus there. Got Blue Hash, we got Brandywine, we got Grand Slam, we got some stuff from Jamaica. There's Rainbow Kush. We got some Super Silver Haze, Mystery Sativa, CBD number 2 and CBD number 1. You can see we took our seeds here. Here's a little starting guide. Took our seeds and we're soaking them in water. We just put them in there, they're floating. You can see each one's floating in a little cluster there. What we'll do is we'll come back tomorrow and we'll poke them, and ideally they'll sink after 24 hours. If not, we'll leave them in for another 24. And then if we're still having issues, we'll address that. Seed sprout tea can accelerate them, as well as you can tow tiny little bit of peroxide in here as well, if you're interested in doing that. Increase the oxygenation. So this is how I start all my seeds. So I thought I'd give you guys a little seed starting guide. So what you do is you get yourself some clean water. Now this is well water that has not been treated with any chlorine or anything. Just simple carbon filter to make sure there are no nasties in it, and a UV sterilizer. And then what we do is take that water. I filled these all up here yesterday. Let them sit out overnight just to make sure the water was settled, and check the pH on them. They're all around 6.8-ish, 7, between 6.8 and 7, depending on the size of the little container here. Anyways, it worked out great. So what we're going to do is took the seeds from all my little containers, figured out which strains I wanted, and put them in the jars here. So we're going to wait 24 hours and we'll have an update. Thanks a lot.